In case you weren't aware, our Holley Dominator and Terminator X MAX ECUs have the built-in capability to control OEM-style drive-by-wire throttle bodies and throttle pedals. In order to ensure safe and reliable installation, there's a few hardware requirements that must be followed. First, use only the drive-by-wire harnesses that are supplied by Holley. These harnesses should never be cut, shortened, lengthened, or modified under any circumstances. A full list of supported and verified throttle bodies and pedal assemblies for Ford, GM, and Mopar applications can be found at holley.com/support. Note though that the part numbers tested by us may have been superseded by the manufacturer. Next, your drive-by-wire harness should be routed to avoid any contact with noisy electrical components or wiring that may emit RFI or EMI noise. Some examples of noisy components that can be found in your vehicle would include spark plug wires, ignition coils, high-energy ignition boxes, and two-way radios. So it's a good practice to maintain at least 5 inches of clearance from any of these types of components. One of the most important features that we designed into our drive-by-wire system is our brake pedal switch input. This red with white tracer wire that's found loosely in the Holley drive-by-wire harness must be wired to your 12-volt output from the brake light switch. This wire should not be confused with the 12-volt switch power wire that bears the same color coding but is found in the main wiring harness. Installation of this safety circuit is required when using the drive-by-wire feature using the Dominator or Terminator X MAX ECU, and neglecting to wire this input is done at your own risk. The way it works is when the brake pedal is depressed, activating the brake light switch, the following protocol will occur. The ECU limits the pedal position to 10%, no matter how far down you press the pedal. This in turn limits the blade opening within the throttle body, thus reducing engine power. Before full pedal operation can resume, the following must occur, and in this order. First, the brake pedal must be released, deactivating the brake light switch, and the pedal position must drop below 10%. If the previous steps were performed properly, you should regain full pedal operation. And that's all there is to properly connecting your drive-by-wire throttle body and pedal assembly to a Holley Dominator or Terminator X MAX ECU. For more how-to tips or to see our full line of EFI systems, visit us at holley.com.